Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up stop loss in Robinhood step by step. Open your Robinhood app and go to the stock you own. Tap Trade, then select Sell and choose Order Types. Pick Stop Loss, enter your stop price, and review estimated proceeds. Confirm the order and monitor your position regularly to adjust the stop if your strategy or market conditions change. In this video, I will explain how to set up stop loss in Robinhood step by step. Start by calculating your risk per trade and the percent you can accept. Check recent price swings and support levels to avoid normal volatility. Decide whether you want a hard stop loss or a trailing stop based on trade timeframe. Enter the chosen stop price in Robinhood and always confirm details before submitting to prevent mistakes. In this video, I will explain how to set up stop loss in Robinhood step by step. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks, so go darn tough with a lifetime warranty for reliable comfort during marathon trading sessions. If you like the suggestion, please subscribe and like, and check the description for the link and other deals. Thanks for supporting the channel. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will explain how to set up stop loss in Robinhood step by step. Consider using a trailing stop if you want upside capture with downside protection. Choose a trail distance that respects the stock's typical range and your target. Test the approach on small positions first and use alerts to stay informed. Adjust stops thoughtfully rather than reacting emotionally to short-term market noise for better long-term outcomes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.